Hello dear students, in this video we will see how to make the table of trigonometric ratios of certain specific angles. When we talk about trigonometry, the type of questions that comes in our mind looks something like this. The angle of depression is 30 degree, the sun is at an angle of 60 degree, the tree makes an angle of 45 degree with the ground, what is the height of the tower, how far is the ship, and so on. So remembering the values of all these trigonometric ratios of these angles becomes very important. So let us see how to make the table. As of now, we have to consider only angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. The trick is that if you know the values of sin theta, you can find all the values of other trigonometric ratios very easily. So in the very first step, we'll write these angles in the increasing order. In step 2, we will number these angles as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In step 3, we will divide all these numbers by the biggest number in that series, that is by 4. And in step 4, we will simplify it. Now in step 5, we will take square roots of all these values. Now children, please note, square root of 0, 1 and 4 will become 0, 1 and 2 respectively, whereas square root of 2 and 3 will remain as root 2 and root 3. And thus we get all these values for the trigonometric ratio sin for these specific angles. And this set of values we can use to complete that entire table. After writing the values of sin theta, we can directly write down the values of cos theta by simply reversing the order of the values in the above row. Now tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, and thus we can directly get the values of tan like this. And for cot theta, we can again write the values of tan theta in the reverse order. Now values of sec theta can be taken by the reciprocal of values of cos theta. And lastly, values of cosec theta as the reverse order of sec theta. By remembering the steps and with practice, you can make this table in less than a minute. Hope this video helped you to make the table quicker. Thank you.